All toilets require occasional maintenance. This short video demonstrates how to change an outlet valve on a Raymor toilet. The process is simple and quick. Firstly, isolate the water by turning off the tap at the wall. Then unscrew the flush button so you can safely remove the lid. To replace the outlet valve, you'll need to remove the entire outlet mechanism from inside the tank. Simply twist the valve to release it, not being afraid to break it, and the valve legs will unclip out of the lower housing. When it's released, the black section may detach from the valve legs. To reassemble, simply clip the black section back on. The arms will fit in perfectly on the risers between the locating lugs. When your outlet valve rubber washer needs replacing, you'll notice wear and tear on the rubber. This is the part of the valve you'll be replacing with a new one. To remove the old outlet valve rubber washer, snap it off with some force. Discard the old outlet valve rubber washer and insert a new outlet valve rubber washer with the flat side down and the serrated edge at the top. Again, this may take a little force, but it will soon snap into position. While you have the outlet valve removed, you may also wish to adjust the inlet valve to change the water level in the system. Simply remove the blue clip by pushing down, twist the valve clockwise, lower down, click back in place and reinsert clip. You're now ready to return the outlet valve to the system. Firstly, check that there is no debris on the seat which can hold the rubber of the valve open and will release water into the pan. Then make sure that the top section of the outlet valve is in place. If the button has become dislodged, it can easily be put back in. Disassemble the bottom leg housings. Line up the pins at the top of the white section with the holes above them, squeeze them upwards and reassemble the plastic clip. Then reassemble the bottom leg housings again. To test the valve is fully operational and at the right height, fully depress the button and lift the float. It should locate into the little groove in the centre shaft, holding the valve in place. When you release the float, the valve should drop. Return the outlet valve to the system and clip the legs into the base plate. Your new valve is now operational and ready to go. Put the lid back on and screw the button back in. However, be careful not to over tighten it. The full and half flush buttons are now in position to be pressed. Turn the water back on and your Raymor toilet is ready to use again.